What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video, and you are in for a treat. It is the strongest cocktail in the world, apparently. I was gonna say, if you do know your show cocktails, it is the Aunt Roberta, and it is considered the strongest cocktail in the world, and we're gonna try it on this channel, see what it's all about. It's created by a prostitute called Roberta back in the 1880s, around that era. I was gonna say late 1800s it was. I think she died at age 32, Roberta did. She worked as a prostitute, and then in her 20s, she created this cocktail. She has sold a few of her moonshine to homeless people. Apparently 32 people died around that era from this drink alone, so let's see what it's all about. This is the Aunt Roberta cocktail. So to make it, get your mixing glass and put in 3 giant ice cubes. So the first ingredient to make an Aunt Roberta is 60ml or 2 parts of absinthe. Or for more international orders, it'd be 2 ounces. It gets its name, it's considered one of the strongest cocktails in the world, because how much absinthe's in it. Another reason is, as you can tell, there's no fruit juice in this or anything, it's because there's just pure booze. Because there's still one hell of a cocktail, this one. Right, next is 30ml or 1 ounce of brandy. Next ingredient is 15ml or half an ounce of gin. Next is 90ml or 3 ounces of vodka. And the last ingredient, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of Chambord. Because if you've got a blackberry liqueur or anything that's close to like creme de menthe, I think it's called, then use that. Because the closest thing I've got to it is Chambord. What you want to do next now is give it a good stir until it's ready. So get it nice and cold. So get your coupe glass and strain into it. And as you can see, we've got a little bit left over as well, if you're brave enough. And there we go, 1 Aunt Roberta cocktail. And there we go, that is how you make the strongest cocktail in the world, the Aunt Roberta. How does it taste? It's a lot nicer than what I thought it would be, to be honest. I thought it would be, still has a kick to it. It's got to say, being the stronger it is, pure booze. You can feel that burning sensation going from my throat and into my chest. I can certainly taste it. I can certainly taste the absinthe in it. That's the strongest taste I'm getting with the absinthe. The aniseed, that very familiar aniseed taste that you get with the absinthe. But it's certainly drinkable, I was going to say. It'd certainly blow your head off, this one, but it's drinkable. It's quite tasty as well. I was going to say, I thought it'd be hideous, I thought it'd be very strong, I thought it'd be overpowering, but it's not. So it's quite dangerous, really, when you think about it. It's drinkable, it's quite drinkable, that. It's tasty, it's drinkable, a lot of aniseed you can taste in it. But if you like your boozy cocktails, this is for you, because I'd certainly recommend it. The strongest cocktail in the world. But if you do know a stronger cocktail than the Aunt Roberta, do let me know in the comments below, as I want to see it. And if there is any, I want to make it as well and try it, but apparently it's the strongest cocktail in the world, Aunt Roberta. So if you do know any that are stronger than this, do let me know. But that, guys, is the Aunt Roberta cocktail, the strongest cocktail in the world, apparently. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid. It really does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate your support. And I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.